How do you prove you are not at fault in a car accident? Being involved in a car accident in Brooklyn can leave you questioning how to prove your innocence when the other driver was clearly at fault. In New York, proving you are not at fault requires demonstrating the other driver's negligence through solid evidence and proper application of state law. Even though New York operates under a no-fault insurance system, establishing fault becomes crucial when injuries are serious or losses exceed basic coverage limits. The legal standard for fault in New York centers on negligence, which occurs when a driver fails to exercise reasonable care under similar circumstances. To establish negligence, you must prove four key elements. The other driver owed you a duty of care. They breached that duty, their breach caused the accident, and you suffered actual damages. Traffic law violations provide powerful evidence of fault, such as speeding, running red lights, failing to yield right-of-way, or distracted driving under New York vehicle and traffic law. When a driver breaks traffic laws, courts recognize these violations as strong evidence that the driver breached their duty of care to other motorists. New York's no-fault insurance system covers up to $50,000 in basic economic losses, like medical bills and lost wages, regardless of who caused the accident. However, when your injuries meet the serious injury threshold defined by Insurance Law Section 5102 days, or when losses exceed basic coverage, proving fault becomes essential for additional compensation. Serious injuries include death, dismemberment, fractures, permanent loss of bodily functions, or injuries preventing normal activities for at least 90 days within 6 months. Gathering evidence early is critical to building your case, including police reports, photographs of the scene, witness statements, and comprehensive medical records. A police report can provide valuable documentation of traffic violations and statements, but it is not conclusive proof of fault and should be supported with additional evidence. The process requires connecting the other driver's traffic violation or negligent behavior directly to the crash and your resulting damages through clear documentation. New York law also recognizes comparative negligence, meaning fault can be shared between drivers, which may reduce but not eliminate your potential compensation. Remember that no-fault insurance claims must be filed within 30 days of the accident, with strict deadlines for submitting proof of medical expenses and lost wages. Working with an experienced attorney can help you identify key evidence early and build a well-supported case that clearly establishes the other driver's liability. Contact Kucher Law Group at 929-563-6780, located at 463 Pulaski Street, #1C, Brooklyn, New York 11221, to schedule your consultation with a Brooklyn car accident lawyer today.